everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite desserts, which is mango glutinous rice dumpling. The ingredients will be shown on the description of my video. Let's get started. First, use a whisk to mix 120 grams of glutinous rice flour, 50 grams of icing sugar, and 35 grams of corn starch. Then, pour 270 grams of coconut milk, and 40 grams of milk, and mix well. When there is no more flour, add 18 grams of cooking oil and keep stirring. After mixing all the ingredients, brush some oil on the pan. And then, use a mash strainer to sift the mixture. Great! Now, drop the tray from a higher place to remove the bubbles on the surface and then steam the batter over high heat for 12 minutes. Remember to cover the lid. Here are 35 grams of glutinous rice flour, and I'm going to put it on the mango glutinous rice dumpling later. I'm frying the glutinous rice flour on medium heat, and I will stop until the flour turns a bit yellow. See, now the surface of my dough is very smooth and shiny. After kneading for 5 minutes, separate the dough into 6 portions. Each portion should be around 80 grams. Now, put a piece of small dough on a cling wrap, and then put another cling wrap on top. Now, use a rolling pin to roll the dough until it looks like an oval. The size of the oval depends on the size of your mango. My mango is quite big, so my oval must be bigger. Now it's time to put the mango. The mango smells very good. Then we need to make the mango glutinous rice dumpling. Careful. Don't break it. Wrapping, pat the surface gently to make the shape better. See, it's quite beautiful now. Finally, put some glutinous rice powder on top of the surface. See, it's very beautiful now. Before serving, remember to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Using the same recipe, you can put durian as the filling instead of mango. See, after refrigerating for 1 hour, my mango glutinous rice dumpling is done. Let me have a big bite. Let me have a big bite. After refrigerating for 1 day, see, the outlook and shape of the mango glutinous rice dumpling is still fantastic. Let me have a bite. Wow, the outer layer is still very soft, chewy, and springy. Ellie, come on, have a try.
Okay, I'm gonna try the durian one.